Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to add sticky add to cart buttons in Shopify so that your customers can quickly add products to their cart without scrolling back up, improving conversions and user experience across devices. To start, open your Shopify dashboard and go to Online Store. Then click on Themes. From here, locate your active theme and click Actions, then Edit Code. Before making any changes, it's a good idea to duplicate your theme to avoid accidentally breaking anything. Once you're ready, navigate to the Assets folder and open your theme's main CSS file. This may be named something like Theme, CS, or Styles, CS. Scroll to the bottom of that CSS file and paste in the custom code that positions your sticky button. A basic example might include position, fixed, and bottom, 20px, along with some styling to make the button stand out. Save the changes. Now go back to the Sections folder and locate the product template, Liquid file. You'll want to insert the Add to Cart button code near the product form and wrap it in a div with a custom class like Sticky Cart. This gives you the hook to control its behavior with CSS and JavaScript. Next, to make the button dynamically appear or stay hidden when needed, you can add a bit of JavaScript. This might go in your theme's theme, JS file, or be embedded directly into the product template, Liquid file. The script can detect when the standard Add to Cart button is out of view and trigger the sticky version to appear. Make sure to test on both desktop and mobile to ensure responsiveness. If you're using a page builder or a theme that already includes sticky button features, you may not need to custom code it at all. Instead, head to your theme settings or builder interface and look for a toggle or customization option labeled Sticky Add to Cart. Turn it on, adjust positioning if available, and save your changes. This option is especially common in premium themes or apps. Finally, if you prefer a simpler route or want more advanced features like animation, quantity pickers, or upsell suggestions, consider using a Shopify app like Sticky Add to Cart Booster Pro or Kickify Sticky Add to Cart. These apps let you configure the design and functionality without touching code. Just install, customize through the app settings, and publish. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.